Okay, girls, we're cranking it up a notch here. It says D, solve the following equations with variables on both sides of the equal sign. So notice we have an x term there and an x term there. So we're going to put all the x terms together and we put all the constants together. So for this one here, I would start out by subtracting 6x to get it rid from this side. I have 10x minus 6x plus 5. And this is where we'll get rid of it. So we got 49 over here. Like terms are here now. 10 to the 6 is 4x plus 5. And I just need to subtract 5 from both sides. So we can get rid of it on the left. And we'll put it over on the right. So we got 4x equaling 44. Not done. We only want x, not 4x. So we're going to divide by 4. So x is equal to 11. And that would be our answer. Number 2. Negative 9x. Oh, no, it's just negative 9. Holy smokes. Negative 9 plus 8x. Negative 9 plus 8x equals negative 3x plus 2. I'm going to move this over to this side. So I got negative 9 plus 8x plus 3x plus 3x. That's how we get rid of it here. These are like terms. 8 and 3 is 11x. Don't forget to bring this down. Minus 9 is equal to 2. Now we're going to get rid of this and put it over on the right hand side by adding 9. So we have 11x equaling 11. No worries. We just need to divide both sides by 11. X is equal to 1. And that's our answer. Okay, so we're on D3. Question D3. I have negative 10 plus 4x equals negative x plus 5. I'm going to bring this x over to this side. Letters on the left, usually. Negative 10 we don't touch. We're going to add an x here and add an x here. That's going to take care of these. So we're left with a 5 yonder. 4x plus x is 5x. Bring this negative 10 down because we have to deal with it now. Here it was just coming down, but now we're actually going to deal with it by adding 10 to both sides. So we have our 5x. That's equal to 15. Now we're going to divide both sides by 5. So x is equal to 3. Number 4, part D, 5x minus 3x is equal to 4x minus 2. Okay, I'm going to subtract the 4x from both sides. Puts the letters on the left. Oh, no, did I make a mistake? No, here, let's go back and simplify first. Is that question? Yeah, that's right. Let's get these like terms sorted out first. 5 take away 3 is going to be 2x equals 4x minus 2. So in this case, we're going to have to subtract a 4x from both sides. This one gets a little messy because we're going to end up with a negative right here. Negative 2x equals negative 2. Okay, so what we have to do is divide both sides by negative 2. So x is equal to 1. Okay. Number 5. 2x is equal to negative 3.6 minus 8.4 minus 4x. So I'm going to clear this one up first by adding 4x to both sides. So 2x plus 4x is equal to negative 12 minus 4x plus 4x. These are like terms. 6x. So we're just going to divide both sides by 6. And x is equal to negative 2. Okay. Number 6. If I make a mistake somewhere, girls, just let me know. What's number 6? 9 minus 3x plus 11 is equal to 10 plus 2x. Okay, so why don't we clean this side up a little bit. Okay, so this one we can bring this over by subtracting 2x. Now subtract it over here. We have 10. Careful here, this is minus 5x plus 20. So now we need to minus 20 from both sides. So we had our negative 5x equals negative 10. And then we divide both sides by negative 5. So we're left with x equaling 2. I'm going to double check that one. Not all that comfortable. I'll redo it. Okay, so that's D lot.